California just passed over 900 new laws in 2026, and some of them will directly impact your daily life. Whether you're an employee, renter, parent, or just living in the Golden State, these changes matter. I'm breaking down the most important laws you need to know right now. Let's start with your wallet. As of January 1st, 2026, California's minimum wage jumped to $16.90 per hour for all employees. But that's just the beginning. Senate Bill 294, the Know Your Rights Act, now requires your employer to give you a written notice by February 1st explaining all your workplace rights. Miss this? Your employer could face penalties up to $500 per employee per day. Equal pay just got stronger teeth. Senate Bill 642 extends the statute of limitations to 3 years and allows you to recover unpaid wages for up to 6 years. This means if you've been underpaid because of your gender, race, or ethnicity, you have more time to seek justice. Here's a big one. Senate Bill 396 voids any contract terms that make you pay back bonuses or training costs if you leave your job early. Those pay us back if you quit clauses, they're now illegal. If you're renting in California, Assembly Bill 628 is huge. Your landlord must now provide a working stove and refrigerator and keep them maintained. This especially impacts parts of Los Angeles where tenants were previously expected to buy their own major appliances. Assembly Bill 1860 protects you from eviction if Social Security payment delays prevented you from paying rent as long as it wasn't your fault. Senate Bill 423 is reshaping California cities. Near major transit hubs, buildings can now go up to 9 stories high. This applies to 8 counties, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego, and it overrides local zoning laws. The goal? More housing near public transportation. Shopping just changed. Starting January 1st, grocery stores can no longer offer plastic bags at checkout. Senate Bill 1053 is California's comprehensive plastic bag ban. Food delivery platforms must now show drivers an itemized breakdown of pay, tips, and bonuses. Plus, there are new consumer remedies when orders go wrong. Your credit union can't charge you more than $14 for overdraft fees, or whatever the federal limit is, whichever is lower. Renting a car? Companies must now give you a total cost estimate up front, including all taxes and fees, and tell you if the vehicle is gas or electric. California is leading the nation on privacy. The new Delete Request and Opt-out platform, or DROP, creates a one-stop website where you can tell data brokers to delete your personal information. Data brokers have until August 1st, 2026 to comply. The AI Transparency Act requires content platforms to watermark AI-generated content, though implementation is delayed until August 2nd, 2026. Big AI developers now must publish safety frameworks explaining how they manage catastrophic risks and report critical safety incidents. Violations? Up to $1 million per incident. Healthcare privacy is expanding. Immigration status is now protected medical data, and healthcare facilities must establish safe zones restricting access by immigration enforcement. Starting January 1st, large employer health plans must cover infertility treatment, including IVF, for everyone, regardless of marital status, sexual orientation, or gender identity. Sexual assault kit testing is being prioritized. All law enforcement agencies and medical facilities must audit untested sexual assault evidence kits by July 1st, 2026. Schools are changing too. Assembly Bill 3216 restricts smartphone use on school premises starting July 1st, 2026. All K-12 public schools must have at least one all-gender restroom by July 26th. Students can't be forced to use them, but they must be available. The California Freedom to Read Act prohibits libraries from banning books based on content or author. Minors can't be blocked from checking out books with sexual content that isn't obscene. Legacy admissions at private nonprofit colleges? Banned as of September 2025. Law enforcement officers not in uniform must now visibly display ID showing their agency and name or badge number. Impersonating an officer is now a misdemeanor. Assembly Bill 321 gives courts more flexibility. Judges can now determine whether a case proceeds as a felony or misdemeanor any time before trial, not just at the beginning. A few more rapid-fire changes. Cat declawing is now banned statewide except for medical reasons. Pet sellers must disclose where animals came from and can't require non-refundable deposits. mental health services expanded through the CARE Act now includes people with bipolar I disorder with psychotic features, and the definition of grave disability for involuntary treatment now includes those who can't keep themselves safe or get necessary medical care. California continues to lead the nation in progressive legislation, often serving as a blueprint for other states. With over 900 new laws in 2026 alone, the state is addressing everything from workplace rights to AI governments. Which of these laws will impact you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more legal updates and breakdowns. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute legal advice. For specific legal questions, consult with a qualified attorney in California.